In this comprehensive guide, we explore various approaches to view iCloud backup files without compromising existing information. Whether you seek to understand iCloud backup locations or efficiently manage storage space, this guide provides practical insights for iOS users. Part 1. How to access iCloud backup with iCloud Extractor. Mobican Doctor for iOS, a specialized iCloud data extractor, offers a solution to seamlessly navigate and understand iCloud synced files. How to view iCloud backup files with Mobican Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Download and install Doctor for iOS. Step 2. Scan iCloud synced files. Step 3. Access iCloud backups. Part 2. How to view iCloud backup by restoring the iOS device. In Settings, tap Reset, choose Erase all content, input passcode, and confirm. Follow Setup, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in. Choose the backup, and keep Wi-Fi connected for restoration. Part 3. How to view iCloud backups through iCloud.com. Visit iCloud.com, sign in, and choose the data category, for example, photos, contacts you want to view. Part 4. How to access iCloud backups on Mac or PC. For Mac users, the process is relatively straightforward, while Windows users, utilizing iCloud Control Center, will follow slightly different steps based on their system version. Part 5. How to access a backup on iCloud on iPhone, iPad. Open the Settings app on your device. Click on your name, which represents your Apple ID. Choose the iCloud option from the list. Tap on iCloud Storage. Select Manage Storage to oversee and manage your iCloud backups.